Cheers! How's life? I want to show you the differences between 125 and 200 crankshaft and 57 normal stroke and 60mm long stroke. Let's start with the 125 versus the 200. That is a 125 original crank, Piaggio. That's a 200cc crank, and first thing you see is that on the rotary side, on the clutch side, it has this lip, so the cheek is wider. The 125 doesn't have it. The other one is that the corner of the 200 is a 110 and the 125 is a 105. Lip, conrod. What is the difference between long stroke and normal stroke? Both of these are 57 stroke. You got here some older ones. That is a long stroke 200. And this one is also a long stroke, but 125, and I completely fucked up because I thought I wanna make a bell shape, float, whatever. It looks pretty awesome, does it? Thing is, it is completely fucked because balancing is completely done. Look, you can even test it without a stand with your hand. It does only stop at 6 o'clock. It doesn't stop here at 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock. No. Or 12 o'clock. No. Let's go back to how can you identify a normal stroke versus a long stroke. The normal stroke, both 125 and 200, it does have here at the crankshaft pin a 22. Same here at 200cc. So the pin is 22mm, and the pin of the long stroke crankshaft is only 20mm. That's the difference how you can identify a 60mm versus a 57mm stroke. That's the 125, 0 kilometers. Exactly the same, 20mm. Cheers, mates. Maybe you'll be here. Shrimps at this time. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe, mates. Cheers.
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?